Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're making gluten-free pancakes using red lentils. So you're going to need 1 cup of red lentils. I like to use split red lentils just because I find that they break down much more easier. A pinch of salt and some black pepper, and then you want to soak it in hot water. There's no measurement requirements for this, but you want it to leave to sit for at least 30 minutes. I then like to rinse the lentils off of any dirt and dust and add back 1 cup of cold water this time. I feel like the lentils break down much better this way.
That's enough. Stick together.
You want to add a little bit of oil just to prevent sticking. I'm not sure if anybody else does this, but I like to use a tissue because it's much more absorbent than a brush. Once holes start to appear on the top of the pancake, you want to place a lid on it until the bottom is nice and brown. And there you have it. We usually enjoy this with some dal or curry of some sort, but I had my nephews round that day and they were adamant that they wanted it with chocolate spread, and to be quite frank, they tasted absolutely delicious this way.
These aren't kids' vitamins, they're for adults.
Can you get me more?
You like them?